The Mahindra BE6. Bold design, powerful performance, and built for the future. But how fast can it really charge? Let's find out. The BE6 comes with two battery options, 59 kWh and 79 kWh. For the 59 kWh pack, using an 11 kW AC charger, a full charge from 0 to 100% takes around 6 to 7 hours. On a 7.5 kW AC setup, it takes about 8.5 to 9 hours. But plug into a DC fast charger, approximately 140 kW, and you are back from 20% to 80% in just 20 minutes. For the larger 79 kWh pack, on an 11 kW AC setup, a full charge takes roughly 8 hours. And with a 7.5 kW AC setup, around 11 to 12 hours. But again, switch to DC fast charging and you will hit 20% to 80% in just about 20 minutes. If you are planning to use an 11 kW charger, make sure you have a 3-phase connection. To match that performance, ZEVPOINT offers both portable and wall mount solutions. If you want portability, the AVIO X1 11 kW is perfect. The AVIO Pro 7.5 kW is ideal too. Want to keep it simple? Dash works perfectly for everyday charging. Prefer a fixed setup? You can go for the Polar or Duos range. They come in 7 kW, 11 kW and 22 kW variants. So whether it's the 59 kWh or the 79 kWh BE6, pick the charger that matches your power supply and your routine. 11 kW if you can, 7 kW if you must, and keep rolling.